Hi guys, my name is Saurav. I like to make content on cloud DevOps, Kubernetes in general. So in today's video, what I'm going to do is that I will try to deploy an application, and I will try to use all the DevOps best practices so we can able to leverage all the platforms. Okay. So what I'm going to do is that I just open a repository which will have the code, okay, source code, and we will try to use that particular source code, and so we can able to leverage. This is the particular code, you can say source code, which I'm going to use. I will try to clone that into my local laptop, try to deploy into a virtual machine or server, you can say, and we will try to use GitHub action for that, and we will see how that entire thing actually look like. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that just let me just copy this link and open the cursor, and then what I'm going to do is that I will try to clone that. I have already cloned that. Let me just check that link. Okay, so I have already cloned that particular repo, and let me just see that I have that entire thing is working or not. So for that, what I'm going to do is that I will have to install Docker. So if let's just say if you don't have to install Docker into your system, you can install sudo apt install docker.io. Using this command, you can able to easily install that. If let's just say you have already installed that, you can check the service of the Docker using this command. Okay, so Docker is also installed. Then what I'm going to do is the Docker compose up -- build. Okay, so Docker daemon is not installed. Let me just try with sudo. Sudo is stand for super user 2. So this will this will going to do. This will build my entire application and deploy and run it into my local system. So I can able to show you how the actual thing look like. Okay. So let me just go to there and. Okay. Adjust to automatically OpenStack Cloud. Okay. So you can able to see the entire application is building, and once this will be done, we will have a proper application running into any specific folder wherever we decide. So let me just check which folder is that. We can able to see that in this code itself, which is 3000. Okay, so 3000 is the code where the application is deployed. If you want to know this application, it is a simple application which will act as a cloud portal. So I will definitely going to show you that how that actually thing look like. Okay, so the entire bootstrapping thing has been done. So let me just go open my browser and try to hover localhost /3000. I think it is 8000, I guess. Docker compose -ps. Let me just sudo docker compose ps followed by the particular thing, and this is the port. So this is the 3000 port for the front end, and the back end 8000. And let me just see why it is not working. It is not working probably because I haven't typed that localhost correctly. Okay, so this is the particular application which you are able to see in here. This is the particular application which we are going to deploy into an server, which has a proper proper application. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I just open any cloud portal. So in my case, this is my cloud portal. You can use AWS if you want. You just need a server plane. Okay, and I have this server, which is this one, 80. So copy this thing, and open a terminal, whatever the favorite terminal you have. zoom that, ping using this ping command, copy paste that, and we can able to successfully cater this thing. Okay, now what I'm going to do, go to the download folder and try to check the key if any key is there. So this is I have the key. If you are using AWS, you probably have the key to authenticate with your server. Okay, so I have updated that repository. So this is the thing. It is updated. Now what I'm going to do is that I will try to use GitHub runner for that. Okay, with GitHub runner. So what I'm going to do is that go to the action and go to setting, go to actions, go to runner, go to new hosted self-hosted runner and use the Linux tab and copy this command one by one and then just use this command. So what I'm going to do is that I will act this server as a runner. So this runner will handle the request, whatever the GitHub action or CI/CD pipeline which you want to configure. Okay, so this will be your go-to action for that. Copy this thing as well. Okay, now let me just verify the hash, and then what I'm going to do is I use the tar command to extract this thing and then configure the token and all. Okay, so this will be connected, and let me just name that label as a what I'll self-hosted. Okay, I'm leaving as self-hosted and enter. Okay, setting is saved. Now let me just run this thing and so if everything is working, then you should have that tab where your runner is attached, or you can say added. Go to runner tab, go to here, and you will see one runner which is state is idle. Okay, so that runner has been properly connected. So what I'm going to do is that I just change this thing to this terminal, this workspace, and our runner part is done. So what I'm going to do is that I just go to that cursor, and what I'm going to do is that I let create scan the entire application or application stack and create GitHub action workflow which will install dependency to run this application and then run into the server. I have self-hosted runner. The runner is this one, and the target server where I need to install the application is if you know the IP address, which is 192.168.1.80, and user name SSH Ubuntu and password, and there is SSH key PEM as well. So wait for this thing. So this will create the entire thing for us, and then we can able to easily okay, so this is the plan mode or ask mode. I want an agent mode. always ask switch. So this is the workflow which will check my entire stack, and then so separate where is the self-hosted runner related to a separate machine. Deploy runner is already installed on 192. ठीक है जी. GitHub SSH private key app and GitHub secret ठीक है जी, recommended, and then it will be give you everything for us, and has no PEM file recommended. SSH use SSH to Ubuntu. Deploy directly to runner on host, no PEM file because the runner so deployment no use SSH to Ubuntu, and on push to manual dispatch recommended. Continue. Okay, so this will install this will create all the configuration for us, but the thing is, for authenticating with my application I need a application token. Developer access. Where is that developer access, bro? So let me just grapple my email address for, since I need that particular confirm token. Okay, so please match the required format. So the token has been created. Just a second. Okay, so guys, so Claude has created our entire GitHub workflow for us. So this is the particular thing, and what I have to do is that I have to go to that SSH. I have to update the secret, so we can able to easily go to this one. Go to secrets. Go to secret and variables, actions, new secret, manage new repository secret, secret name, and I have to put that private key. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that just go to here or new window, and let me just zoom a little bit. Go to download and grab the PEM file, and I want that PEM file to be copy pasted, and this is the particular PEM file to authenticate to my server. Okay, so copy that thing line by line, copy this thing, go to that workspace, go to here, copy that thing. This is the private key. Okay, this is the private key where my runner are able to authenticate with the target server. It can be different in your case. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that next go to the cursor, SSH known host. So this command is output of this one, SSH key -gen copied by the particular thing. Okay, so go to the terminal again and copy this thing. So this is the command, this is the known host command, which is important for authenticating. So this one, and go to here and copy this thing, new repository secret this thing, and here I have to paste that particular info. Go to here, copy this one, go to workspace, copy, paste this thing. So yeah, so I have successfully added 2 secrets. Now it's time for third one, which is app environment. Okay, full production env content. So new repository secret, env name and the path and the secret value, which I'm going to copy from here only. But I want to change this one. Okay, default image, zeros, private network, and everything. So I just did the matching into your environment. Okay. So go to here only. Go to your cloud and check that particular image. Okay, let's just see how thing actually go. If let's just say we will fix that particular Okay, now what I'm going to do, let me just git status that we have couple of files, we will add them. So I have to update this one. This one, paste this one, this one, commit that thing, push that thing, and once this will push, it will ask me to authenticate that. Use copy GitHub authentication, continue that, and here I have to copy that particular code. Okay, paste that thing, continue. Bingo, all set has been done, and then I will successfully able to push that. Now the code commit part has been done, and let me just see what will happen on the portal end. Go to cloud portal again, go to that action workflow one. You will see deployment has been done. So it will bootstrapping and it will installing my applications. If you able to see that, setup job, checkout, okay, preparing SSH and bootstrapping the server. It will install Docker and Docker Compose into my target server, which is 192.168.1.80. Okay, so meanwhile what I'm going to do is that I will try to log in into the server, and let me just see that Docker is installed or not. So right now Docker is not installed into my server. In couple of time Docker will be going to be installed. Okay, so it's because it is installing. You will see Docker has been installed successfully because I am not able to get any error. Docker is installed. So here I will have the particular portal. Okay, so this is the particular portal where all that application will be resided. So you will see post checkout has been done. So I am getting an error, missing secret app underscore environment. Copy this thing, go to here, go to secrets, go to secrets, go to actions, secrets. Acha, sorry, I haven't able to add that thing. Now what I'm going to do, I've pasted all the workflow. Let me just rerun this thing again. So how that rerun will be happen, bro? Okay, so here copy that thing and go to this workflow and then rerun all jobs. So I will enable the debugging as well, and you will see the deploy workflow is in state. So you will see what are happening in this thing. So Docker Compose is installed, this is installed, and you will see in this time a build has been publishing, and it will download all the binaries for us. And once this will deploy the Docker application with the Docker Compose, we will probably have a running application. Okay, so we have to wait for this thing, and once this thing, and you or we both know what is the URL of the application. Okay, so by using this thing, we can able to easily cater any production workflow. Okay, so this is the particular GitHub workflow file, and yeah, let me just see after building the entire application. So since it is first time building, that's why it is taking time. Otherwise, if let's just say you do the continuous development and continuous deployment, it will not take that much time. Okay. Okay, so health check has been done. Waiting for the health check URL. Health check is also done. Post checkout is done. So yeah, you will see the entire container is working properly, and we will have a working application. So what I'm going to do is that the server IP is this one, 192.168.1.80:3000. So you will see we have successfully deployed our application using GitHub Action. So now the thing is, why I'm focusing on GitHub Action or CI/CD pipeline, because we can able to easily so for example, if let's just say I want to search something here, okay, complexity. So here in the login prompt there is a thing called complexity, cloud compute with complexity, cloud without complexity, and hurdle hassle. Okay, so this is the cloud compute without hassle. So I just want to change this thing, complexity, to hassle, without the hassle, without complexity and hassle. So what I'm going to do is that go to here, update login page, commit and push always. So it will push into this thing, and another pipeline will trigger, and go to that agents, go to actions, and you will see update login page. This is another pipeline is running. So by using this kind of way, we can able to easily deploy application. Okay, bam. So yeah, so let me just see if that changes has been done or not. You will see complexity and hassle. Bam, we can able to easily check. Just a second. Okay, let me just put my charger. Bingo. Yeah, so the charging part has been done. So you will see the CI/CD part has been done. Now, what I want to use, that I don't want this domain, because this you will see that this is the private IP address. If you are able to see that private IP address 192.168.1.80, this is the private IP address, and I don't want this thing to be accessible by the public itself. I want to use that domain name, domain prefix, and proper SSL value. For that, what I'm going to use, I'm going to use Cloudflare. Go to Cloudflare, go to login, go to your dashboard with your proper signing page, proper authentication thing, and go to tunnel, create a tunnel called Cloud Console RM. Create the tunnel. If you can use a Docker or anything, but I am using Debian Linux, so it will make my life easier. Paste this thing. Let me just make this this one into this, so I can able to easily copy paste that. Okay. Copy this thing. Go to here. Paste this thing. Why you are not able to paste it? Let me just open a new terminal, bro. Arey. I think the server is down, or server is little lag. Server is in lag state. So so let me just wait. There's a power cut, so we have to wait for this thing. Okay, the server is back now. So what I'm trying to say is that, let me just SSH to the server and use this command to copy paste and install the Cloudflare D that will act as a tunnel and expose my service to the public internet. So okay, so it is done, and let me just install the service. Bam, Cloudflare tunnel has been set up, and in couple of seconds, yeah, you will see tunnel has been connected successfully. Now what I have to do is that I have to check which cloud console tunnel this is the tunnel name, and I have to add a route, or you can say public domain name. What I'm going to do is that I will act as a cloud console ocean. This is the particular URL which I'm going to use that, and this is that I will have to paste it down, and here you have to put it that link. This is the link, you can able to use that, this one, and leave that 3000 later on, and copy this thing, and that this what this will going to do is that this will configure a CNAME record and point it to that particular tunnel. Okay, so refresh that in couple of seconds. This tunnel should be active. Means that that should be a usual case. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I will try to NS lookup, paste. You will see the DNS is propagating, and I hope this should be, because sometime what it's done now, since I'm in a same network, it will give me some errors. Okay, so server not found. Okay, so I have a plan B for that as well. What I'm going to do is that I will try to use Brave or Chrome if I have. So I don't have Chrome, so let me just install Chrome. Utilities, go to Explore, go to Chrome, Yeah, this is the Chrome now. Here I have the Chrome. Install that thing. So I don't know why sometime it is giving me this error, because I thought I am in a same network and that is collapsing with the existing one. So yeah, let me just try. My source IP will be same to the destination, I guess. I'm not sure 100%, but let's just try. So we have to wait, and let me just open this browser and okay, that stay without signing in. Go to Chrome Web Store, go to here, open, and here try VPN, and free VPN. I'm going to use that free VPN. Add this one, add extensions. So yeah, continue with the free plan. Connected that thing. I hope I am connected with the VPN. So what I'm going to do is copy this one and here paste it down. So I should have connected with that particular application, I hope so. So wait for this thing to be run. Ping is working. Yeah, you will see my application is able to load. Okay. The application is loading, but yeah, still some pages and all, because the VPN thing now, it is the traffic is coming from the longer jump. That's right. So let me just check, is there any closer VPN server is now there or not. United States. So you can able to see, I can able to access the server, access the application, but it is due to the VPN thing. What is the speed test? Yeah, you will see that my application is properly accessible by the domain name as well, because I'm using VPN. That's why it is saying insecure. Otherwise, if you're using on mobile or any another device, it will definitely use Cloudflare certificates, and it is properly secured. Okay. Now, this is the particular application which is made by me, and in another video I will try to demonstrate what is this application actually look like. And yeah, so that's all for this video. I hope this video will help you to learn about how GitHub Action is working, how the entire workflow is help you for deploying stuffs. And yeah, let's keep learning and keep on deploying stuffs.